Now we will have a look on colors. So HTML colors, control K, control C to put as comments. So in HTML colors, there are different predefined colors name like RGB. You have HE hexadecimal, HSL, RGBA, and HSLA. It is red, green, and blue. This is hexadecimal. This is hue, saturation, and lightness, I think. Let me check. Yes. And this is again red, green, blue, and alpha. And this is again hue, saturation, lightness, and alpha. So let's have a look on the first one. I can put these lines in command K, control K and C. So let's have a look on text color. So first we'll define H1 hello world, as we have already seen the syntax, which is style is equal to, and then inverted commas, background color. Let's say dodge blue. So this is the background color, right? Now if we want to change the text color, what we have to do is just change this property like a color, and it will change the text of the color. Okay, if you want to change the border, let's create another one. Just change the property, which is let's say border. Okay, and 2 pixel solid project. So the 2 pixel, this is a shortened property for setting the border with the style and the color. So the 2 pixel, it is around the word. You see, this is the border 2 pixel. If we increase the size, like we put 10 pixel, you will see this is, it goes bigger. I think there is a dotted as well. Yeah, dotted line as well, you see. So you can play with these properties of CSS. So now we do with the colors name. Let me make a little bit smaller, and let me put it back as a solid so we can see easily. Yeah, let's change the background color with RGB. Okay, remove this one. Okay, which is background color, which is RGB 2559971. So this is a pinkish and orange color you can use for hello world RGB. Now you have the hexadecimal color. Just remove this one, and hexadecimal, first you have to put the pound sign, then FF6347. this is the same color but in hexadecimal. And now in HSL color, HSL which is 9, 100%, 64%. You see, we have used the same color in different colors name like RGB, hexadecimal and HSL. We can use in HSL alpha as well, alpha which stand for opacity. So like A, and we can use is like 0.5 opacity. You see, it is bit lighter. If we put 0.1, it is more, we can't even see. Let's say 0.3. you see, 0.8, it increases, lighter and darker you can make it. The same thing with RGB, you can do RGBA, two 55, 99, 71, and then you see here we are using alpha as 0.8, same here 0.8, and you see the opacity, it is the same intensity. So this is the colors we have seen. You have RGB, you have HSL, you have HSLA and RGBA. So this is how you can change the color of the text. Well, these values you can use with any property where it supports the color. So you can use RGB, hexadecimal, HSL, HSLA or RGBA. So these colors you can use with the properties of CSS.